What's up, everyone? Dr. Bell here with Dr. Bell Health, and we have another supplement review for you. Today, we're going to be getting into the world of nootropics. We're going to look at Qualia Mind by Neurohacker Collective. This is a unique supplement. It's got a complex system science approach in the way it combines 28 different ingredients to support overall cognitive function and well-being. Two of the ingredients in particular that stand out as powerful nootropics are Bacopa monnieri and Huperzine A. Bacopa monnieri is an ancient Ayurvedic herb that's been used for centuries to enhance memory and cognitive performance. And studies suggest that it works by increasing dendrite length and branching in neurons. So essentially, it improves the communication between your different brain cells. It's also believed to boost levels of acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter crucial for learning and memory. Before we dig any deeper into Qualia Mind and the other ingredients, this is for educational purposes only. This is not medical advice. Talk to your doctor before you take any supplements. And everything we review on our channel can be purchased at a steep discount, even Qualia Mind, through our full script store. Go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. This is one of our best-selling nootropics. You can't find a better deal online, better than Amazon, better than on the Neurohacker website. It is the best. Free shipping, free returns, doesn't cost you anything to join. Okay, let's talk about Huperzine A. It's derived from the Chinese club moss Huperzine A, and it's a potent acetylcholine esterase inhibitor. So it inhibits the enzyme that breaks down acetylcholine. Right? We're talking about how acetylcholine is great. So this actually makes it so acetylcholine doesn't break down as much. And so Huperzine A sustains higher levels of this neurotransmitter in the brain, which promotes better cognitive function, focus, and memory. Qualia Mind just goes beyond these individual ingredients, though. Its formula is designed to work synergistically, supporting multiple pathways and processes in the brain. So, for instance, the inclusion of acetylcholine and uridine help enhance the production of phosphatidylcholine, which is a major component of brain cell membranes, while vitamin B6 and pyridoxal 5-phosphatase is critical for the synthesis of key neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Qualia Mind addresses long-term brain health by supporting BDNF production, neuron and synapse function, mitochondrial health in the brain. It's comprehensive. It's got a multi-targeted approach, and that's really what sets it apart from other nootropic products, is that it's not just one thing. It's not just memory. It's just not just focus. It's not just sleep. It's not just stress management. It is everything. It's an all-in-one solution, and it's a great product. So don't forget, you can purchase Qualia Mind and other Neurohacker Collective supplements for a steep discount through a full script store. Go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. Free shipping, free returns, doesn't cost you anything to join. And thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you can never miss another video that we make. Stay healthy, and please stay informed about your supplements. Do your research, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm Dr. Bell.